Welcome. In front of me I have the INFINIX Hot 11s. There's gotta be better ways of naming your phones, like come on. And if you want to use Hot, at least put a number higher than 18, please. So yeah, there we go. Now this is the NFC version. There's one without the NFC capability, which if it costs anywhere near this phone, it's not worth it. This one comes at over or about 230 euros. So at that price point, I would expect any kind of phone to have NFC. So this kind of sticker shouldn't even appear here because it would be a given. Anyway, I just pop it open. Oh, come on. Anyway, there we go. So one benefit of this phone is it has a actual 90 Hz display. So this is a 6.7 inch display running a resolution of 1080p by 2460, so a full HD resolution, which is also really nice considering the resolution and refresh rate. This is a fairly decent combo right here. Now it is just an IPS LCD display with a typical brightness or peak brightness of about 500 nits. And inside of the box we do get a silicone case, paperwork. Whoa, what does that smell? Okay, this has some rather not very great smell to it. We do have a charger. This is probably like what, 10 watt? Oh, 18 watts. So it's not actually bad. And then we get a Type C to Type A cable, the charger. And that's basically all we get in the box. So outside of that, if we flip the phone over, we have a triple camera setup. So we have a 50 megapixel wide sensor, then we got a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and then we get some kind of sticker camera. I don't even know what the heck that is. And then at the front we have an 8 megapixel wide shooter, which is in this actually rather large cutout. Now at the bottom we do have a headphone jack, which is a bit of a rarity nowadays, and it looks like but we do have a fingerprint sensor on a power key. You can see it right here. I'm curious about where's my little SIM eject tool? Ah, there we go. And we do have expandable storage. We have two SIM trays, dedicated SIM trays, and SD tray. Now the phone actually comes with a base version of 64 gigs storage with 4 gigs of RAM. So that's the very lowest version, and goes up to 128 gigs of storage with 6 gigs of RAM. So those are the options. And it is powered by Helio G88 and 5000 mAh battery, which seems to be honestly at this point like common theme for like these low to mid-range pricings. Almost all of them have the same battery, looks like it. And I've literally unboxed like 6 or 7 phones right now, and just this day alone, all of them having the same kind of battery. So anyway, there we go. Now probably one of the better point of this phone is the fact that it comes with a NFC, which is not really a thing for most of the cheaper phones. So if you're looking for a phone that strictly has NFC, this one does. Though, like I said, at 230 bucks, I would say that it's a expected kind of thing. But yet, I guess that's the first phone I unboxed today that is above 200 euros. So yeah. Anyway, to finish this off, the phone has a nice display, and the fact that it comes with an NFC, at least to me, that is one of the more important parts of the phone. I would say it's a okay device. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.